Okay, good morning, everyone. Shumela is
Good
saying that,
morning, ma'am.
yeah, Shumela is saying that she has sent the letter writing to Christina ma'am and to me also. Dear, if you have sent me, I would have replied to you if you have sent me on mail because I am replying to each and everyone who is sending me the
Ma'am,
letter on
I had
mail.
not sent yet. I am just asking. I have to send to you and Christina, ma'am.
Okay, you are asking. Okay, so yeah, you have to send to me and Christina ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I'll send it.
Yeah, it is the details are completely mentioned in the classroom app, so you can check her email ID also.
Still,
From
when
there.
we do we have to post it, the letter?
10 December is the last date.
I forgot
Yeah.
the last date.
Okay, so I'm reminding all of you today once again because I have not got much letters. So 10 December is your last date. Try to do it today or latest
I'll
by tomorrow.
try to do it today after
Yeah.
the class.
Yeah, don't
Ma'am,
wait for
I
10
sent it.
December.
I'm
Ma'am, I
done
sent it
with
on
the letter
Chrome.
writing.
Okay, so those of you who send the letter to me on mail, you will surely within 5 to 6 hours because I have a track on mail.
Miss, can you just send the email address?
I've sent everything, dear. In the classroom app, you will check that assignment partner. Everything is sent there.
Ma'am, I sent it on the class.
You are sending on the classroom app. You don't have an email ID, dear.
Ma'am, I just sent it, so I'll send it on mail.
Yeah, send it on mail only because if I will be checking from mail. So in case if somebody is sending on classroom app now, I will miss that. Okay. Okay. I will reply to you on mail also. Right now, when you send me, I will reply to you on mail that I have received it. And later on, again, when I will, go through it after 10 December, everybody's letters together, then I will reply to you and tell you, how you should improve, where you should improve. Okay. This time there is no marking system. So I'm not giving you any marks, neither grades. Okay. But next time there will be grading system. So it can be marks, it can be grades. This is the first time. So we will just keep it. I will just tell you where you should improve. So personally, I will just check it and I will reply to each one of you personally on mail itself. Okay. So keep checking your mails after 10 December also. Between 10 to 18th because I have Tesla's letters also. So between 10 to 18, between that week, you will start getting your replies. Yes, Fatima?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Okay. No. This is not neither authentic exam nor normal exam. This is just a test that is going to be given to you every 15 days. Okay. Just to improve your writing skills. But
So, ma'am, what is the first test?
Mohammed, I am talking about letter writing right now. So, but this is just to improve your writing skills. So from next time onwards, the grading system will start. This time I am not grading anyone because I don't want to demotivate anyone because this is your first time. Let me see how you all write and the best letter I will discuss in the class. So this
Ma'am,
time
I
we'll do that.
already know I'm going to lose, ma'am.
No,
My writing is not the best.
this is not about winning and losing. This is about improving. So if it's not the best, you will try next time. I am giving, I will give all of you the reviews how to improve.
Miss, is
on
the
that.
test for handwriting
No,
or
writing skills.
The writing skills, meaning bigger.
I told you that day
detailed.
you're going to be evaluated and assessed on the basis of your content and your format. These two are the things that will carry, the marks. Whenever you go in future, also whenever you attempt your board exams, even there, from that vision, I am giving you all this. So we are trying to practice from now onwards because writing skills is the place I guess we should score the maximum. Writing and reading. Writing
Reading,
skills
I'm
we
very
can.
good at writing. No.
Yeah,
I'm
but we will improve.
I
We'll
can
definitely
write,
improve.
but
Yeah, don't worry, Mohammed. We will improve. Reading is okay. If it's fine, it's good. But as of writing, our main motive is to improve wherever we are lacking, right? And our communication skills. The way we keep our videos off, and we are not able to interact. So the way, the fluency with which I am speaking, I want you all to speak. Okay. Now, having that confidence that whatever I am speaking, you are understanding, with your videos turned off, this is what you should know in your mind. Because when I first joined, even I was a bit worried with this, that all the cameras are off, how shall I understand what is going on in your mind, whether you are listening or not. So then, but the way you speak, then you will get your own confidence. So speaking skills will improve in the public speaking classes, but writing skills are to be done, and grammar is to be done in the class. As we go, we are going to get grammar. Next topic for grammar is active and passive voice. And writing skills every 15 days. So after letter writing, be ready. You're going to get a new topic. But I promise that will be interesting.
Ma'am, we still have to do this now. That bullying one.
Which one?
Letter to Shabana ma'am.
Yeah. You have to. Whoever's mail ID I have given, if I have given Christina ma'am or Shabana ma'am, I don't remember. Because in Tesla also I have given the mail ID. So that is for Dawood sir.
Can I send it on classroom?
No, mail. Strictly mail. Because I will, forget to check it if you send it on classroom. So please don't send. Yes, Advait, tell me what happened. He's desperately waiting to speak.
I am using Bluetooth headphones. He is using only one of them. The other one is connected to the one he's using. Like magnets.
Okay, so you are all this while, you are
I'm
not
trying
listening to me, you are
understand why
noting
is
that.
he doing that. I was listening to you, but it's looking so funny.
Okay. Wait.
Oh.
There is the exam
That's
on. I'm asking, this exam is going to be authentic or normal. Okay, which exam do you have on 20th December? Shumela?
Ma'am,
That hasn't been announced.
Which exam are you talking about? Yes, speak, Shumela.
Ma'am, the unit test.
Okay, as far as I have been informed, we have no exams this month. Like authentic assessment is not there this month. So you can still confirm it. It is postponed to January 2nd week. Authentic assessment, that is for sure. If any other exam is coming, so I don't know. I've not been informed about that. So surely just get it confirmed from Christina ma'am. Okay. Yesterday itself, I got this news that you're not going to have any authentic assessment this month. So be happy, enjoy your Christmas holidays, but don't worry, you're going to get
Miss.
a writing part for Christmas holidays.
Miss,
Yes.
it may be the teacher. It will be like the teacher chooses which type of assessment it will be.
So this is not an authentic assessment, or this is neither an authentic assessment. This is nor a test, but the writing skills, the letter part I'm talking about. But you have to be serious. You have to seriously attempt it every 15 days and send it to me before date, because I am going to consider this very seriously. Okay. I want you all to improve with your writing skills. We cannot, we are in 7th standard now. So we cannot afford to write everything, in an informal way, the way we speak till 10th standard. We cannot go that way. We have to improve. Now we are big kids. Okay. So no more talking now. Because if I give the chance to Advait, he will keep on talking and talking and talking. Okay. So do you remember what are scribes? Who remembers what are scribes?
Ma'am, they are like the people who, like, they are administrative people. They do architecture. They do
Made history in the walls.
They're educated.
They collect the records. They write the records in their own language on clay tablets. Yes, with red pen and which ink? Black ink, using a reed pen, and then they preserve it for
Clay
the
tablet.
for upcoming generations. Correct. So they also studied a lot. Okay, when you want to become something like at a respectable position in society, education is the priormost part. So they also study a lot, and many of them, they studied most of the subjects we saw, right? So many subjects we saw, architecture and engineering for those kids, who were very smart at studies. And there were many other
Ma'am, who
subjects
are
too.
good at craft and arts.
Yes. And there were many other subjects like maths, law, history, and geography. And they had to remember these 700 pictures, symbols by heart. What were they called? Hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs. Okay. Okay, come on. Today we are going to do this question answers. No more wasting time. We'll jump to this. Write answers to these questions using the extract to help you. So now if you are clear with the extract, you're going to help me with these. Okay. And take out your notebooks. We'll write the places where we find that, it is an important question and it is not getting repeated. We'll write it down. Give 2 reasons why writing was important to Egyptian society. Come on. Yes, who will tell me? Why was writing so much important to Egyptian society?
For the upcoming generation to know about the history.
Very good. Exactly. One more reason. That is one reason. Another reason. Yes,
To
come
show
on.
them how they lived.
To show them how they live. Okay. Someone else? Anyone else? Asma, I will request you to please get your mic tested, and then from the next time onwards, I expect you to speak in the class. Okay. It's been, I guess, 2 months since I have joined, and more than 2 months. And since then, your mic is not proper. So now I would request you to get it tested. Okay. I hope you are listening. Please respond in the chat. Okay. Yes, Sakib, what do you feel? Fatima, Sakib. Why is everybody so silent today? Okay, so wait a second. We'll write it down. This is question first of A. Just a second. Yes, Advait, what do you think? Shumela, what do you think? What could be the other reasons? At least try giving the wrong answer. At least any answer that you give, if it would be wrong, still you would learn something. Come on, Advait. I'm expecting you to answer at least. He's turning off his video. Bye-bye. If I open the topic of Avengers, everybody's mouth will start, everybody will start speaking.
I can't find the question. Where is it?
My dear, wait a second. You are asking me the page number? It is 79. 79 in my PDF. Yeah, 79 in the page also, book also, correct. Okay, next answer you all are giving me. But the answer that one of you gave me is correct. Writing was considered very important in the Egyptian society because, they wanted to preserve the records.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes.
What's the name of the chapter? I forgot.
School days, 5th chapter.
Miss, are we doing A or B?
A,
Okay.
first one.
Ma'am, will you post this question answer in Google Class?
Okay, my dear. Advait, come on. After I write the second one, you will take a screenshot. Okay, keep on writing.
Okay.
You will keep on writing, taking the
I'll write,
screenshot for posting it in the Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Because today I have to go somewhere outside, so I will forget posting it. Better is you take it.
But it will say server error to me. I'll tell Shiza to post it.
Okay, yeah, you can do that.
Shiza the screenshot.
Shiza is absent anyway today. You can send it to her and you can ask her to post it.
Yeah, that.
Okay, and Advait is going to take the attendance today. She is absent. That's why. So I have a lot of work. Come on, continue writing first, complete that, and then do the work. Okay. Please be very quick in writing. The next question says that find one piece of evidence in the extract that shows that scribes were highly valued. They had a lot of, respect in the society. What is that part in this comprehension? Where is that part? Wait a second. Yeah. See, which is that part? Except for Ayan. The person who has answered in the first question
Ma'am, I didn't write
will
the whole
not.
thing. Ma'am, I didn't write the thing which was.
I will open it again. Don't worry. Except for
Ma'am.
the person who wrote in the answered in the first question, everybody else will try to answer. Come on.
Can I say?
Yes, please. Yes.
Ma'am, in the next page, what jobs did qualified scribes do? There is, and I quote, scribes played an important part in the administration of the kingdoms and were highly respected.
Okay, 1 point is this. Correct. Very good. Okay. And which is the other point you can see? Come on, check it. If you have books, check in your books or else look at the screen. I've opened the
Ma'am,
page
there-
already.
Ma'am, there is also written that people couldn't read or write, so a large percentage of the populations used scribes to write letters for them and to read the letters aloud.
Okay, so you mean by that way you are saying okay that the society used to respect them. Okay. No,
Yeah,
Ayan.
they were-
Everybody else is not paying attention except for Ayan and Tabish. Only 2 people are paying attention in the
Can I
class.
say at least 1 point?
No. I'm sorry.
Come
Wait,
on.
wait. I know you know the answer. I want others to speak up. Come on. Yes. Sayed, please unmute.
Can I say?
Mohammed.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can
Yes. Come on, Sayed. Tell me, which is the other point that you can see? Come on.
Ma'am, I
Oh,
can
ma'am.
say.
Wait, Tabish, wait. Which is the point that tells you in this comprehension that scribes were, respected a lot in the society. Check the paragraphs. You'll get a point. Come on, do the skimming of the text. We have learned what is skimming and scanning. Yes.
Scribes had a privileged position in the society.
Very good. Scribes had a
Not pay taxes.
yeah,
or
even that whole part. They did not pay taxes or work in the fields or do military services. Okay. So this is the main important part that is telling that they were respected very much in the society. Okay, come on, start writing. Okay, so for the second one, what you all will do is, I will just write the starting part and then you will put inverted commas and quote the exact lines in that. Okay, you'll write the exact lines in that.
Till where?
Till, wait a second, just let me see. Okay, military service.
Okay.
From scribes had a privileged position till military service. So I am putting that dot, 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 dot. You all will not do that. You will completely write. Advait, you
Can
can
you
take
show the
a
textbook?
what
Ma'am,
dears?
can you wait 1
Ma'am,
second?
can you
Ma'am.
show the textbook index?
Yeah.
No, ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah.
Let me just write.
Okay. Wait. I will open that again. Index, you are saying.
Ma'am, then I can't write, ma'am. Even
No,
if I
not the
see-
index. I said the text.
Okay. Just a second. I am opening.
Ma'am, the red one,
Yes.
the text, I didn't see it. I have to write the thing.
Yeah. I am showing you. Just done. Ayan. Show me a thumbs up if you are done, so I can open the question answers.
Ma'am, what should we do in that one?
Which one, my dear? Second one you are saying?
Yeah, the textbook one you just shared.
That is, Ayan was asking me to just show me the text, so that's why I was showing you. You continue writing this. Yeah.
Done.
Yes, Saqib. Tell me what happened. Done. Okay. Mohammed, done. Those who have done it, show me a digital thumbs up so we can move forward. Okay. Shumela Tabish has done it. Fatima has done it. Advait, I hope you have taken a screenshot.
Yes, ma'am, I've taken the.
Ma'am,
Taken.
what
Yes.
should come on that thing? Scribes had a ... military service. What should that there be?
Okay, so that means that you are supposed to write in this paragraph who were the scribes. There is this line that scribes had a privileged position in the society. So I have not written that whole line. I've just kept ... So you have to copy the exact whole lines with inverted commas. Forgot to keep the inverted commas. Yeah, I have done. Okay, so I have to put the inverted commas and copy the exact lines. Okay. Those are the lines that are proving that they had a lot of respect in the society.
Can you show the page so that I can write the ... completely?
Yeah. Everyone has done writing this. So can I please stop this screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the other page?
Yeah. Wait.
I want to write from that.
You don't have the book, Mohammed?
No.
Okay.
Wait, I
Write
think
it from
I-
here. You think you have, so you're not even sure. Wow.
Ma'am,
No.
what part should we read?
This part, my dear. Wait, let me underline it. See, from here till here.
Okay.
You can take a screenshot. Do one thing, take a screenshot. So you can keep on writing afterwards.
1 second, I want to complete it.
Done?
The whole answer done.
Okay. I'm expecting you have done it, so I'm skipping
Miss, I'm writing.
to next
Wait.
page.
No, ma'am, 1 second. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, quick.
Miss, I can use my book.
Have written it?
Then, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we'll go on to the next question. The next question says that, wait a second. Yeah. In 3 to 4 sentences, describe a typical day at scribe school.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Tabish
Can
wants
I?
to say. Okay. So this one is going to be just discussion. We are not going to write this down. Yes, come on. Those who want to say, those who want to write their points in the chat box, start.
Ma'am, an important part of the day's lesson of a scribe was that first they were going to study and read and write hieroglyphics. So they are going to learn more than 700 picture symbols by heart. Then they are going to study maths and then law, history, geography. And the
Oh,
ones who can do more, who the ablest one can will be taught architecture and engineering too.
okay. So you instead of reading that paragraph and stating it the next way, you can say that there were some kids who were very good at studying. So they were separated from the class and they went on to study architecture and engineering. Okay, so you have to describe it like it is currently going on. Okay, if you read the paragraph, that real feel should come. Okay, anybody else would want to try? Ayan, you were saying?
Young children started at scribe school at the age of 5. First, they had to study how to read and write hieroglyphs. They meant learning more than 700 of these picture symbols by heart. They studied maths, law, history, and geography. And the smart one
Okay,
who
so we are talking about that particular day at school. So if you are talking about day at school, you say an important part of the day's lesson was hieroglyphs. Okay, we learned. So you have to take it on yourself. You went to school that day. Okay, so we learned at least you can say 50 to 100 words today because we're not going to learn all of them together. We learned at least 50 words today out of the hieroglyphs. We learned how to write them with our reed pens. Okay, and the teacher helped us to understand what is the meaning of these pictorial words and how should we describe them. And some of our friends were very good at their studies, so they were selected for studying architecture and engineering. Okay, you can write it that way. You have to take it on yourself because you're going to school that day. Okay, great. Now, to help readers follow a non-fiction extract. What is a non-fiction extract? Where you don't have these stories. Fiction is what whenever you're talking
which are
about,
made from the mind,
yeah,
the human
exactly,
mind, which are not real, and non-fictional are
imaginations,
which are real stories.
real stories, exactly. So it relates to the real world. So now this is a non-fiction
So
extract.
ma'am,
This is
what
not
should we write?
third one. We are not going to write, dear. We're just discussing the third one. Okay, so this is a non-fiction extract. Here we are not talking about some Cinderella or some Batman stories. Okay, rather we are talking about a real world that used to exist, a real place that used to exist, and the people how they used to live. Okay, so this is reality. So anything that is reality, that is non-fiction. Okay, so this is a non-fiction extract. Now I hope you will be able to discriminate between the two the next time you get an extract. Writers, what they do, they use subheadings so that the reader knows that what the paragraph is talking about. Okay, so in this one also we have seen, right, we have the subheadings, right? How do we know so much about ancient Egypt? Who were the scribes? Yes, Mohammed, what happened?
Ma'am, if it's possible, I will complete that essay today only.
The letter writing you are saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Your 10 December is your last date. So today or tomorrow, that is up to you. But I am expecting that nobody will wait till 10 December to complete it. Please, huh? Okay. So I can start checking
Can
at
we
least
do
from 10.
I was saying to Ayan that when the class ends, like at 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 12:40, then we will join the class again and we'll do it.
Like, you mean you all want to do it together?
Yes, but we'll write
No.
Easier
different
rather than
essays.
Mohammed.
No. Copyright. Sorry. I
No,
will
No.
strictly.
We'll not
we won't
copy. We'll not
copy.
copy. We'll not copy.
Yes.
We'll just
We'll
show
just
the
interact
method.
with each other.
Okay. So the format you are asking about. You can
Yes.
discuss it. It is your first time, so this is the leniency I can give. You can discuss
Okay.
amongst
Ma'am,
yourselves.
it's okay if my if it's a little wrong.
Yeah, don't worry about that, Mohammed. You are supposed to learn from your mistakes. Make as many mistakes as you want, but try to, write it nicely. You're not going to get any marks for this, but you are going to improve. Definitely, this is your first time. Give your best. It is going to be wrong. You are just asking, others are not speaking, because they also know somewhere or the other they will make mistakes. Even sometimes when I there is some topic and I am writing a letter or any other writing skills question, so I also make mistakes are common. It's perfect. All right, just try to give your best, write it in the best way. Okay, and then I will tell you where you all can improve. I will tell you personally. But focus on your format. Format is something that shouldn't be wrong. That has been explained to you so many times. You already know it. And if you face any doubt, you can go to the internet and check the format. Format shouldn't be wrong. In the writing part, be unique. Okay, write whatever you think. I want unique ideas to come up. Just be raw, very raw. The way you want to write it, you can write it, but make sure you are sticking to the formal and informal part. In the formal part, if you are writing informal, you are not getting any marks for that. Okay. Shumala is asking, we have done? No, dear, we have directly skipped to the 5th chapter. After 5th chapter, once we complete this 5th chapter, we'll go to the 3rd and 4th one. Okay, that were very long chapters, so I preferred going with this one right now. Okay, so yes, did we all see there are subheadings in this? Who were the scribes? How long did it take to train a scribe? Right? So these all are subheadings. The main heading, and then these are in the blue, these are the subheading. So in a non-fiction paragraph, we always have this subheadings so that you know what the writer is talking about. Then after the subheading, you will make a big general point, and then the examples are given. So any general point, one general point is given. Wait a second, let's see. Unlike some ancient civilizations, Egypt had a writing system. Now this is a general point, okay? That many ancient civilizations, I'm really sorry, I'm fumbling. Okay, so there are many ancient civilizations, and many of them, didn't have this. People didn't used to preserve the records by writing. They used to just make pictures, or many of them didn't knew, they did not get the education, so they did not used to do that. But many of them also used to use that system. Egypt people also used to do this. So this is a general statement, an opening statement. Okay, you cannot clearly understand from this part. Okay, and in the next line, without these written records, now examples, the writer is using the examples that how the written records are important, and how we can use the historical events, we can understand about the life and death and everything, everyday details, legal contracts, tax records, everything. Okay, so now this is the subheading, this is the main heading, this is the general statement, unlike some, and then there is the explanation, and then there are examples. So these are the examples. See, there are also details of everyday life, like, so whenever you are giving an example. Yes, Sayed, you are on unmute. Yeah, details like legal contracts, tax records, family trees. So these are examples. Okay, as well as like, so the writer is giving you examples here. So this is how a non-fiction extract works. Okay, so do you think the extract writer has used these methods well? Come on, tell me, do you think the extract writer has used all these points? He has covered all these points? Yes, do you agree? Yes.
Yes.
What, ma'am?
Do you agree that the writer who has written this extract has used all these 3 points? He has
Yes.
made sure. to include all these points. Explain new vocabulary also. Has he?
No.
Yes? No. Who says no? Why no?
Yes, he
Ayan.
did. Yes. Sorry.
He did? Okay.
Hieroglyphs.
Okay. So find an
Okay.
example for each. Come on.
How do we know so much about scribe?
That is the
Example,
paragraph ma'am has
subheading.
explained. I am telling you about others.
How long did it take to train a scribe?
Okay. So that is the subheading. Yeah.
Yes.
Then which is the general statement?
Young children started at scribe school at age of 5.
Very good. So usually the general statement is in the starting, very starting of the paragraph. Okay. What are the examples here? Ayan, if you're saying, yeah.
The scribes who compiled these written records were member of specialists.
Okay, you're on next page.
No. What example did you ask, ma'am?
No, I'm asking that, the writer has written first, we'll write the subheading, then we'll
Yes.
write the opening statement. That is the general statement. Now, examples are also given to explain the opening statement. Explanation is also given. New words are used. So, where is that word in this paragraph?
Hieroglyphs.
Okay, hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs. Okay, so these are this is a new word. Correct. Okay, this is new vocabulary. Where is the example? Any example or any way? Is it?
First day they had to read and write hieroglyphs. This
Okay.
meant learning more than 700 of the picture symbols by heart.
Yeah, so that is an explanation part. This is main examples are here. Wait, let me underline. Main examples are here. They are talking about the subjects. They also studied maths, law, history, and geography. And then the ablest ones, engineering and architecture. Okay, so this is the examples the writer is giving. The examples for subjects. It can be anything, any examples the writer can talk about, right? So we agree. Anyone else would like to point out at any paragraph and explain, defend the writer that he has, followed the correct format? Come on, 1 more minute, fast.
What jobs did qualified scribes do? Ma'am, the general point is scribes played an important role in the administration of the kingdoms, and
Very good.
They were highly respected.
Okay.
The
And with
examples, the people couldn't write, or a large percent of the population use scribes
to write letters for them. Okay, so this is one example. He is justifying his subheading that what job they were doing, right? He's giving the explanation for that. In this one, we don't have an example. Okay, he is giving the explanation of the point, the general point that he has said. So in most of the paragraphs, that is the concluding paragraph, if we notice. So in the concluding paragraph, it is not always necessary to give examples. We are concluding the paragraph there, the whole extract, right? So almost we can say that the writer has used the method well. Okay. And the last is, which 3 facts in the extract did you find the most interesting and why? Now, this is a very subjective question. It depends on you. All of you might have different points that you found interesting. So this is for you to write it down. Okay, the same way we have written all the other questions, you'll write this down. You'll write any 3 points, short, big or small. You'll write it and then you will tell me tomorrow. Okay? And tomorrow,
I didn't hear.
You have to write any 3 big or small points that you found interesting. The C question. Okay?
Ma'am, tomorrow is our debate.
Yes, debate. So before debate, we'll first discuss this and then we'll go for the debate.
Ma'am, ask Sayed that he will be be absent yesterday.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Sayed, don't be absent tomorrow. Okay, you'll not be absent. Okay, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then, Advait, I hope you have taken the attendance.
Oh no, I forgot.
I expected that.
Take the
from you.
screenshot. Take the screenshot.
Come on,
of
quickly take the
participant.
screenshot, then write it in the WhatsApp chat and send it
Done.
to Shiza.
Done. Done.
I'll send this to Shiza and send her the notes also.
Okay.
Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Have a good day.